Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Stasia here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this bomb lace wig from ALIPEARL.com. But I actually ordered this unit from Amazon. Now this is definitely my first time purchasing a unit from Amazon that was technically from another company. So anyway, yeah, if you guys would love to see how I installed and customized this unit, just feel free to sit back, relax, and keep on watching. Alright, so here is the box that the unit came in. It is super pretty. Now on the back it has the hair care instructions as well as maintenance instructions. Now this unit came with an elastic band, a nude stocking cap, well, two nude stocking caps, as well as this ALIPEARL hair card right here, just to, you know, kind of let you know a little bit about ALIPEARL, as well as some further hair care instructions on the back. It also came with this gorgeous satin pink wig bag to store your unit in. Now this is the unit right here that I purchased. It is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It is Brazilian body wave, and I believe I purchased this unit in 14 inches. I can't really remember, but I know for a fact I'll link everything down below in the description box, as well as the direct link for this unit. Now, as you guys can see, it has the two side combs over there, as well as the comb on the bottom in the nape area, along with two adjustable straps. Now here I'm going to be showing you guys that I used a 40 volume developer along with some Collider Colors bleach. And yeah, as y'all can see, I made it, you know, kind of thick because I didn't want it bleeding through the lace. You don't want it bleeding through the lace at all. So yeah, speaking of the knots, these knots were pretty, I won't say, it was kind of hard to bleach these knots. Like, I left this developer on, well, I left the bleach on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and some of the knots were still thick as thieves, okay? Like, I don't know what went wrong. I'm just assuming it was simply the unit, the construction of the unit. But, yes, that's a quick fix anyway. So yeah, I just went ahead and applied the bleach all over the frontal, and like I said, I let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I proceeded to shampoo it with this Shimmering Light shampoo, along with the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration shampoo and conditioner. Now I protected the lace with the Gots to Be Free spray because I went ahead and did the watercolor method using the Adore Rinse in Jet Black. So here I'm just using a little bit of foam just to lay these edges and everything down. I will put the scarf on and everything, and I believe I let it sit for about maybe 3 or 4 days. So yeah, then after that, I will be back to just show you guys how I styled this unit and installed it. I think this is about to just be it, because it looks real pretty. I don't want it like, you know, curled. I just want like body baby like that. And now I'm going to take my hot comb again and just try. Whoa, shit. So anyway, yeah, y'all, I really love this unit. It is super soft. Like, oh my God. The texture of this wig is so soft. It's been a while since I've ordered anything from ALIPEARL. Like I said, this unit is from Amazon, but the brand is ALIPEARL. And I forgot how freaking soft their units, like their hair is. Now, this is Brazilian. It was obviously, like y'all saw, body wave, but yeah, this is just like, I love it. Obviously, I cannot keep my hands out of it. So anyway, yeah, like I said, it's super duper soft. I'm not getting any shedding, any tangling. As y'all can see, my fingers are going straight through this unit, like straight through the hair. Yeah, I mean, I don't have any complaints. The only thing I do wish is that the unit was a little fuller than what it is, y'all. I'm so freaking sorry if y'all can see all that lint. You know, I don't know where it's coming from. I might need to dust off some things over here. But anyway, yeah, so, excuse me. So anyway, yeah, as y'all can see, like, this is literally, I separated in the back. This is literally all the hair, which is not bad because it does look super duper natural. Like, you know, but I'm extra, okay? I love va-va-voom. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So let me tell y'all something real quick. This is not the wig I ordered, okay? Y'all hear me? This is not the wig that I ordered. I actually ordered a, what was it? Oh, I ordered a 6x6 unit. Like, I did not order a 13x4, 13x6. Well, this is a 13x4. I didn't order this, but well, I ordered this length, but I did not order a whole frontal. Now, I don't know what the hell is going on. I don't know if this whole corona shit got, you know, they mixed up all up over there, but I ain't complaining because I paid for a 6x6 lace closure wig. I didn't pay for a full frontal. That's just me being honest with y'all. Or maybe they was just feeling generous that day. I don't damn know. All I know is I'm happy, okay? Yeah, so what I'm going to do is just link down below in the description box both links. The one that I thought I ordered, I'm going to leave that at the top. Well, y'all will be able to tell the difference. And then underneath, I will leave this direct link. Again, I thank you guys so very much for returning back to my channel. Please do not forget to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay safe, stay safe, and stay blessed. Pray, do what you gotta do, stay your ass in the house. This is some shit. But like I said, anyway, I love you guys. I thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Mwah.